Hey guys, welcome to MayenTV. So for today's video, we are going to do another unboxing. But before anything else, please help me reach 1,000 subscribers by clicking on the subscribe button below and clicking on the tiny notification bell so that you guys will get notified every time I post new videos. Thank you so much, and yeah, I really appreciate the support. Anyway, let's begin this unboxing. So yeah, I want you guys to meet HotDive. So HotDive is a smart waterproof case. This is by far the best gadget that you can buy for your smartphone. So yeah, in this video, I am going to share with you guys the key features and the specs and also why you should get one. So yeah, let's begin this unboxing by opening or unboxing this case and see what's inside. So here you'll see the instruction manual and a wipe cloth with the brand, a wrist strap. So this wrist strap will ensure the safety of your smartphone. So yeah, this is very important. It also comes with a charging cable. This is type C if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and it also comes with an O-ring grease. So yeah, and of course the housing. So yeah, there you go. So now that we've seen what's inside the box, let's talk about the specs. This waterproof case is compatible with most devices, be it an Android or an iPhone. It also has a built-in 35 mAh battery, so there's no need for you to purchase a battery in order to make it work. You can also take this with you up to a maximum depth of 80 meters. It also has a built-in fill light right here. This is an 800 lumens fill light. So with just one click of a button, you can turn it on. And this will help you take really great photos and videos underwater. And because of the glass in front and at the back of the housing, you are also able to access both front and rear cameras, which makes it really amazing. So it's very easy to take selfies with this smart waterproof case from HotDive. So yeah, build quality wise, I'd say that I'm very impressed because this thing really looks and feels like it's heavy duty. So yeah, as long as you take good care of it, I'm sure that it will last you for years. You'll be able to use this for years because it's made of aluminum alloy and PC glass. So yeah, HotDive made sure that your smartphone is safe every time you go underwater. So now let's talk about the key features of this smart waterproof case. So this case doesn't just turn your phone into an awesome underwater camera, it also turns your phone into a dive computer and compass, which are both accessible with just one click of a button. It also has an awesome air pump system which will protect your phone from possible leaks. And as I've mentioned a while ago, it has a fill light, an 800 lumens fill light, which will help you take really great photos and videos underwater. So if you were to purchase each gear separately, I think a dive computer and compass would roughly cost you around 500 USD, and the housing with an air pump system will also cost you maybe around 500 USD. And the fill light with 800 lumens output would cost you also roughly around 200 USD. So that would be a whopping 1200 USD expense, excluding the camera. So for a fraction of the cost, HotDive Pro will definitely turn your smartphone into an all-in-one smart scuba kit. So I hope you guys liked this video and learned a lot about HotDive Pro, and I hope that I was also able to help you decide on what housing to buy for your smartphone. So for more details about this housing and this smart waterproof case, please click on the link below. That's the Kickstarter link. I believe it's also 50% or 40% off. So yeah, for those of you guys who are interested to purchase, just click on the link below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!